It's gonna be alright. Yeah, yeah. How can you tell? Yeah, yeah. I feel it in my heart. Yeah, yeah. It's gonna be okay. Yeah, yeah. The sun is shining bright unto another day. Yeah, yeah. It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be okay. Hey, hey, hey. If at first you don't succeed.
So welcome back everyone, Mike here. As you can see, the old graybeard is coming in pretty nice. But I just hopped in the truck and it is Wednesday evening and I'm headed to the airport to pick up Melissa. If you don't know the backstory on that, she went to California. First she flew to Vegas to her brother's place, and then she drove to San Diego with her brother, his wife, and their kids. And they've been out there for almost a week now. She was supposed to come back Monday night, but her flight was canceled. And they couldn't get another flight out until today. And she went to the airport about 4:30 in the morning, San Diego time. And she did get a flight to Chicago. Then they boarded a plane in Chicago. Then they had to get off the plane in Chicago. And she had about a 2-hour delay. Then she got on another flight. And she just landed in Pittsburgh. So when we get home, the dogs are going to go absolutely crazy. But today I worked like crazy. Didn't touch a camera one time though. I talked to Tom from Concrete with the Hosses the other day. And they're going to come on Friday to pour the concrete. But instead they're coming tomorrow, Thursday. And tomorrow they're going to pour everything in the game room, all the decorative and stamp stuff. So I had some work to do to get ready for them. I got that all taken care of today. Tomorrow I'll show you that manifold set up and all that for the radiant floor heating and all that. But yeah, they stopped over this afternoon. They got everything laid out, ready to go. And I think they'll be at our place about 6:15 tomorrow morning. And concrete will be there at 7 a.m. I think that part of the building, it's about not quite a third of the building, all the decorative stuff, but it's about 21 yards of concrete, I think, something like that. And this is all the kind of time-consuming stuff. We're going to do some stamped wood look and some rolled slate for the game room, the little kitchen area, and all that stuff will look really nice. So looking forward to getting that done, and also looking forward to picking up Melissa, man. It's been seems like she's been gone a month, and it's been 6 days. But once we get to the airport here, we'll get her on camera, and then when we get home, the dogs are going to go absolutely crazy. Wait till you see this. All right, we're getting close. Melissa had to wait a while for her bag, but man, it is busy here tonight. The whole flying thing is definitely not as fun as it used to be, that's for sure. You have your purse?
Yes. I left my pillow in the other airport.
Oh boy, how many airports have you been in today?
3.
So first thing Melissa said was, you still haven't shaved. I said, no, I have not. But you've had quite the trip.
Yeah, I was supposed to be home Monday and got canceled, standby, and here I am. I left San Diego at 6:30 this morning. That was their time. And it's 7 something our time here in PA. 3 airports. Finally going home.
That's good. The dogs can't wait to see you.
I can't wait to see them. I'm excited to see everybody. Tyler was in San Diego and drove home. He gets home tonight at midnight. So
yeah, he left Sunday afternoon or something.
I beat him by like a couple hours.
Boy, the sky is sky's kind of weird right now.
Yeah, the sunset.
We should be seeing another rainbow maybe. But we're home and the dogs are going to come out. Maybe they're sleeping.
I'm not going to say anything. I'm going to see if they pick up that I'm here.
Oh, they'll remember talk loud.
I'm not going to say anything. I'm going to see if they know I'm here. Hi, Archie. Hi, Ruth. Piper. How you feeling? How you feeling? Ruth's going to get something. Hi, Archie. Hi. Hi, Piper. How you feeling? Hi. Woo! Were you surprised? Were you surprised? Hi. How are you, buddy? Huh?
So it is now Thursday afternoon. Melissa got home last night. The dogs were glad to see her, but you had a nice trip, didn't you?
I did. I had a very nice trip.
Got to spend some time on the beach, got to spend some time with her brother and his family, but that was good.
That was nice.
The house wasn't in too bad a condition, right?
No, it wasn't actually. But the things I prepared for them to eat while I was gone, it's still in the fridge.
Yeah, that didn't work out so well. But anyway, today we were very busy. Concrete with the Hosses was here, and we poured the game room and like the kitchen area, a little over a third of the building. And you'll see that video in a day or two. I had like 4 cameras running, so it's a lot to put together, but they did another fantastic job. They were here about 6:30 this morning, and we did the wood pattern look in the game room, just an entryway, 8 feet, and then rolled slate. But you'll see that video. It'll be a pretty good video once I get it all done editing. And then next week we'll pour the remainder of the building and out in front of it as well. And we're also talking about pouring a pad down below, put those big concrete block around it so we can run the conveyor for firewood right into that and keep it out of the dirt. So that's something else we're planning on doing here in the near future. But I wanted to talk about something. I did a video the other day, and I said, everybody that's watching this video, I'd like it if you'd leave a comment. I'm going to put that video up above. And we had almost 4,000 comments in a couple days. And what I had asked for was, I said, I don't want your typical comment, you should do this or you need to do that. I said, just let me know how you're doing. And we have been reading through comments, and like I said, there's 4,000 of them. And the general consensus is things are going pretty good for a lot of people. Now, there's some people, that are suffering out there, but generally speaking, the people that watch our channel, there's a lot of good things happening in the world right now. We just don't hear about it very often.
Right.
I would recommend, instead of watching the news tonight, if you still do that, don't do that and go back to that video and start reading some of the comments. But we read about people buying their first house, a young couple. We read about people meeting their grandkids for the first time. People just had a baby. Just tons of good things happening to good people. And you don't hear enough about that, do you?
That's right, and that's exciting, and we want to share that. Yeah, go check out the video.
But literally thousands of comments, and I just asked how everyone's doing, and let us know in the comments. And I'm still trying to read them all, but it's really cool. It is, and I think a lot of times everyone focuses on everything bad happening in the world, and that's all that kind of gets pushed down your throat is the bad news. But there is some good things happening in the world.
Exactly right. Yeah. I met 2 nice young men on the flight home. One plays for the University of Pittsburgh football team, and another one was coming to America to attend Carnegie Mellon University for the first time. And
he was from China, right?
He was from China. And
she talks to everybody.
I do. I do talk to everybody. I felt like I was the mom between the two. I introduced them. But I really got to talk to Jules from China, and it was so interesting, the questions he had about America and about Americans. And he told me that I was so nice to him, and he wanted to take my picture to send to his mom. And questions I asked him, like, when will you see your family next? And he didn't know that he would.
Yeah, he didn't think he would ever go back, and he didn't think they'd ever have a chance to come here.
Yeah.
And
but just he asked some good, solid questions, and I totally believe I was the right person to answer those questions.
Oh boy.
So it was pretty exciting. I really enjoyed meeting both of them, and I told them about Outdoors with the Morgans, so hopefully Cal and Joel, if you're watching, comment, and I gave them my contact information, so who knows, maybe on Morgans Off the Leash on my channel I'll have them as a guest.
Melissa, like I said, she talks to everybody. I don't like flying, but when I do, I'm just like, I want to get on the plane and I want to get to where I'm going. Not this one. Talks and talks and talks to everybody.
Yeah. Well, and from San Diego to Chicago was my first flight yesterday, and the one gentleman wanted to sleep, and the other lady, she was very quiet, but I got some things out of her, so yeah.
But yeah, that's good. That is. It's neat.
And that's what we like about this channel, hearing from all of you, and like you asked that day in a video a few days ago, you probably can publish that or put that video up top, so anyone new, or if you missed that video, go check it out and comment how are you doing. But
yeah, let's see how many comments. We're at 4,000 almost now, so but yeah, go back to that video. Like I said, I recommend don't watching the news for a few days, go look at that video and read some of those comments, and you too will realize that there's a lot of good things happening out there. It's just not always in front of us. But
that's right.
Yeah,
and I'm going to be putting my video together from my trip, so hopefully I can do that in the next day. That's the plan. And then I'm going to do a live on Morgans Off the Leash this Saturday night, so be sure to tune into that.
All right, well that's it. Short video. Next video up will be the concrete pour in the new building. And I think that's about it. So like I always say, if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button, click subscribe, share them with your friends.
Thanks.